Step 4. Imaging functions. Zooming images. You can enlarge the screen by rotating the zoom key. For right zoom, press the key. When a green box appears, press the set key and adjust the size. Then press the zoom key again. You can see a clearer, enlarged image. Store as Scene. You can set Scene saving options in Image Preset. You can adjust the time span and the direction of the acquisition prospectively or retrospectively. Live Duel. If you select Live Duel Image on the touchscreen, you can see one image in both B mode and CF mode at the same time. Copied caliber display in Live Duel. You can display duplicated calibers on the dual screen at the same time. You can set this function in Measurement of System Preset. Live Dual Direction. You can set the image mode and direction in Image Preset. You can select Vertical View by opening the Live Dual Direction item. Vertical view is convenient for viewing a wide area, such as 5 mm linear transducer images in comparison.